Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. Today we're going to talk about how we multiply radicals. Okay, so right now you're going to see in green I'm going to highlight the outside numbers, and in blue I'm going to highlight the inside numbers. When I say inside, I mean it's under the radical. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply the outside numbers, and we're going to multiply the inside numbers. And we're going to keep the inside numbers under the square root. Okay, so the inside numbers multiply to 48, the outside numbers multiply to 20. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do our branches, and we're going to simplify the square root of 48. So you're going to find 48 in my list of perfect squares, and you're going to start working your way up. So you're going to do 48 divided by 36.
What was the bottle size you brought?
Hold on. Sorry, 48 divided by 36, 48 divided by 25, and so forth. So the largest perfect square that goes into 48 is the square root of 16. And then, so watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to write the square root of 16 in green, and then the square root of 3 I'm just going to keep in purple. Green means go, so when I say that, I mean we physically need to take the square root of it, and we're left with 4 radical 3. Bring down the 20, because 20 needs to be multiplied by 4 to get 80 rad 3. That's our answer. All right, let's look at number 2. Okay, so we're going to highlight the outside numbers in green, the inside numbers in blue. We're going to multiply the outside numbers to get negative 28. We're going to keep the square root symbol. We're going to multiply the inside numbers to get 45. Now we're going to do our branches to simplify the square root of 45. The largest perfect square that goes into 45, you're going to use your calculator. You're still going to use that list right there. Is going to be the square root of 9. And that's going to be on the left side because green means go. And then it's going to be the square root of 5. So those are going to be my two branches. Square root of 9, square root of 5. Remember, green means go. When we say that, that means we're going to take the square root of that actual number. Do you notice how I'm keeping the square root signs over and over? Now the square root of 9 simplifies to 3. And then we're going to keep the radical 5. Bring down the negative 28. And you have to multiply negative 28 times 3. And you're going to get negative 84 radical 5. Okay, last one. Let's highlight the outside numbers in green, the inside numbers in blue. So if we multiply the outside numbers, we're going to get 8. If we multiply the inside numbers, we're going to get 50. Now we're going to go ahead and do the branches for the square root of 50. We're going to simplify it. And the largest perfect square that goes into 50 is going to be the square root of 25. So we're going to have the square root of 25 on the left because that's a perfect square. And then we're going to have the square root of 2 on the right. Green means go. We actually have to take the square root of 25, which is going to become 5. We're going to keep the radical 2. Bring down the 8.